Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be going over the Cosmo today, and we're going to yank out all the interior. I've got a buddy helping me today. It's TJ. You can find him on Instagram as @Tadaki.
Oh, it's missing a bolt. That's good. That's a lot of action. Do that backwards. Okay.
I think for this video, I'm just going to kind of let it roll. I don't really need to talk over it too much, telling what's happening. It's pretty obvious. We're just yanking everything apart. I wasn't sure how much rust would be under the sound deadening, but this is a little bit more than I thought there'd be. So I'm going to have to plan on taking some dry ice to it to see what else is under here. Anywhere that was rust, it would just peel up super easily. Alright, you'll see me use this Vessel screwdriver a lot. I got it from Japan. It's electric, it has USB-C. I also really like the Vessel bits because they're JIS, so they fit these Japanese screws a lot better, because that's what all the Japanese screws are. It's kind of like metric and standard, like Phillips isn't the exact same as JIS. So highly recommend getting a set of JIS bits, like from Vessel.
Don't worry about me, I'm best cameraman in the game.
Best cameraman in the game.
You see Josh drifting?
That was all you.
That was all me. It's sort of crazy. The lighting on the iPhone is way better than in there. Like if you were looking through the phone to do this, you'd be like, wow, it's perfectly bright in here.
Well, I'm looking in here and I can't see shit.
Yeah. Go faster. He's ready. He's ready. Shattered glass. Hey guys, so we're gonna learn how to make Cosmo glass.
It should be real fun. Can you get that impact?
Yep.
Oh, it was.
Very torn up now.
Also, a plus to taking video of it is I'll be able to know where to put it.
Thank goodness. And these are like the same ones the Datsun uses for the dash.
All cars are the same.
I feel like I should mention that this is prior to me having any manuals on how to take this apart. I was just kind of taking it apart by whatever seemed easy to take off first. This cluster I had to come back to because it wasn't the first thing I could take out. There was actually some wires hidden behind it
Hey.
that was easy to get out from the glove box. This is another vessel tool I picked up. I got it off of Amazon Japan. You can use Amazon Japan just like normal Amazon, but you just have to create another account. It looks like you can get it on actual Amazon too. It's a vessel cordless electric slim ratchet. It doesn't have the torque like an impact would, but it helps you back out the bolts a lot quicker than without it.
Yeah, because you didn't feel like the buttons wanted to come out.
No.
Which I was like sort of surprised by. Not a lot of torque on that low guy.
I think it might be dead.
Oh, that would also explain it. Yeah, this has a lot more space between the radio and the like heater core and stuff.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Way more than the Z.
So there's still a few more sizes below that.
I think it's spinning it.
Can you take this?
Yeah.
I bet now I need to take that out.
Yeah. You still have one bolt.
Yeah.
Yeah, one wire.
Oh no, wait, this is flathead. So I need the smallest flathead ever. Thanks.
Yeah. dad ever. Oh, I see it. What did you do with the whole thing on the bottom?
Nothing yet. Is it connected?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's at least 2 screws.
Yeah, 2 Phillips.
Yeah. Can't really tell if it's supposed to come with it or not.
I think I gotta undo all of this at the key here.
There we go.
And I'm gonna unplug some bigger harnesses.
Yeah.
That.
Overall, at this point, the interior is not as bad as I thought. I might try repairing the dashboard, or I could just try to find a dashboard cover. The rest was a little concerning under the sound deadening, so next week I'm going to go over it with dry ice, and we'll check out what else is hiding underneath there. But thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next week.
Oh no, my car! No! My table! The teenagers ruined my car!